Hey guys, so today I came home and this was in the carport. Pretty sure it's a little gift from someone I know. It's a mismatch, Crane Plumbing Galaxy on one of these Imperial tanks. Got an acculator disc in it too. There it is, it's in beige as well. So that's pretty neat. Something a little different. I personally don't mind these galaxies too much. Far from the best thing ever conceived, but not the worst. There are worse out there. And one in beige, that's pretty neat. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.